Hi guys! I'm here with Brooklyn again and we are going to play a subtraction game with you today. So what we have gathered is some Legos and we've gotten them for a set of 10, okay? Now if you don't have Legos laying around, that's okay. You could do anything. You just need 10 of them, okay? You also are going to need a die, just one of them. It can be dotted or it can have numbers. And then we're also going to use a little whiteboard here to write our subtraction problems. Now, if you don't have a whiteboard handy, you can just use a good old piece of paper. All right, so Brooklyn and I are going to play a round of Rochambeau to see who is going to roll first. And then we're going to play the game, and hopefully you can catch on with it, okay? All right, Brooklyn, here we go. Rochambeau. All right, we both got scissors. Let's try it again, Brooklyn. Rochambeau. Okay, I've got rock. She has scissors. So rock crushes the scissors. So I'm going to roll first. But good job, though, Brooklyn. All right, so I'm going to take my die. I'm going to roll it. And I rolled out a 1. So with my stack of 10 Legos here, I'm going to remove only one Lego. So I'm going to remove one. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a subtraction problem of what I just did. Let me move over here. I started with 10. I took away one Lego. Now I have, and I can count them up, I have now 9 Legos. Now your goal is to see which player is going to have 0 Legos left in the end. That's a little tricky. All right, Brooklyn, let's see how you do. You're going to roll. And Brooklyn rolled a 3, so she's going to take her Legos and she's going to remove 3 of them. Let our friends so they can see. Got one more. There you go. Okay, Brooklyn, now you're going to write your problem. You can just do it right here on the table. So she started with 10 Legos, and then she's going to use the minus sign, and she took away 3, because that's what she rolled. And now, Brooklyn, how many Legos do you have left? 7 Legos left. And here's her problem that she wrote. All right, now that she's done, now it's my turn. Ooh, I rolled a 2. So out of my 9 Legos I had left, I'm going to remove 2 of them. 1, 2. And I'm going to write my problem about what I did. So I started with 9, and now I just took away a minus sign, 2 of them. 9 minus 2. I'm going to count up how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7. And now it's Brooklyn's turn. All right, Brooklyn. Ooh, she rolled a 1. So she had 7, and now she's going to remove 1. All right, and she's going to write her problem down. So you had 7 to start. And now you're going to take away 1. And now how many do you have left, Brooklyn? 6. All right. And she wrote her problem, and now it's my turn again. All right. Ooh, I rolled a 5 this time. So out of the 7 I have left, I'm going to remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh. Okay, let me write out my problem. So this time I started with 7 Legos, and I rolled 5, so I had to take 5 away. And now I only have 2 left. All right, Brooklyn, it's your turn again. Ooh, Brooklyn rolled a 4, so out of her 6, she's going to remove 4. Ooh. All right, Brooklyn, so you started with 6, and then we took away, you rolled out 4, and now you have left 2. Ooh, we're tied right now. Okay, here I go. Oh, I rolled a 1. So out of my 2, I'm going to take away 1, and I have only 1 left. Ooh, it's getting really close. Okay, so I have 2, and I take away 1. That means I only have 1 left. Okay, Brooklyn, let's see what happens for you.
Please be a 2.
she rolled a 1 too. Okay, Brooklyn. Write out your, oh, good job. Take away your Lego. So we started with 2, and we took away 1, and that equals 1. Ooh, we're tight again. Okay, let's see what happens now. This is where it gets really tricky, because that means I need to roll a 1! So I have the 1 Lego, and I take it away. So now I'm going to write what I did. I had 1 Lego, and then I rolled a 1. I took away 1, and now I left with 0. All right. But Brooklyn, let's see how your roll goes. Let's see if you roll a 1. If you don't, that's okay. She rolled a 5. Now she can't take 5 away from the 1, so that means that I won this time. But you know what, Brooklyn? Good job, nice try. You were an awesome partner. I hope you guys have fun playing this game. Let me know how it goes, guys. Bye. Bye.